Hello everyone, hello my dear students. Today we will start a new chapter of science class 6, that is chapter 12, electricity and circuits. Okay, as you know student, electricity is one of the best inventions of science. Why it is called that? Because as you know that in our day to day life we are just surrounded by the most of the things which is running by the electricity. For you can say that uses of electricity, what are the main uses of electricity in our life? Watching TV, they need also for electricity, electric current. Running fan, mixer grinder, fridge, bulb, cooler, AC, these all are that makes our work much more easier, that make us more comfort in our life. Okay, so we use electricity also to operate the pumps that lift water from the well, from the ground level, to the rooftop of tank. Okay, so there are many much more uses in our also life, in our daily life. If it is possible to light our home, it is also called be possible from the electricity also. Okay, in the road light, offices, markets and factories, even after sunset only we are fully dependent on the electricity, isn't it? So in our mind these questions will come that from does means where does electricity come from, where it is coming from. It is generated by the big power plant. Okay, it is generated by the big power plant, you can say by the huge generating by using the coal or natural gases. Okay, and water, steams, or the water hydro energy. Have you heard the name of hydro energy? Steam energy, wind energy from windmill. Okay, we can also use by generating the electricity. Okay, and it is just same to the transformer. Have you seen the transformer, students? You have definitely seen just nearby your house. Okay, so in that transformer it is just a transfer. Okay, why? To increase the voltage, to push the current across the long distances. Have you seen the wires that is connected by the transformer towards your houses? Okay, by that wire the electricity current will flow. Okay, that some portable electronic devices are we can use. That all the things, suppose watching TV means, if we need to watch the TV, then we also plug in the wire with the help of socket. Okay, so from that we are getting the current and to watch the TV. So what will happen that some portable devices like these all are the wireful appliances, electrical appliances. What about the non-wire appliances? Non-wire appliances, have you seen the torch? That torch is also having the bulb. How it is possible to just to glow the bulb which is present inside the torch? Okay, so what will happen inside the torch? We will get about the cell, because we are using the cell, small battery. Have you seen that? Cell, we are with the help of cell we can use the torch. In the night time we can able to glow the bulb which is present inside the. So next we will discuss about the cell. What do you mean by cell? Okay, so dear students, now we will discuss about what do you mean by electric cell. Have you seen such type of cell? It is generally, you have seen, it is filled in the alarm, wristwatch, alarm clock, okay, wall watch, isn't? In the radio, in the remote, TV remote, generally you have seen that such type of cell we are using. Okay, so with the help of the cell, this cell is having two terminal also, positive terminal as well as negative terminal. Okay, you have seen in the at the top of this one, this is known as a metal cap. This is known as a metal cap. Okay, okay, now, and this is round shaped structures you have seen in the cell. This is known as a metal disc. This one is your metal cap and this one is your metal disc. Okay, metal cap always be act as a positive terminal and metal disc act as a negative terminal. Okay, dear students, inside this cell there is a field of the chemicals, some chemical, like you can see that ammonium chloride, many more chemicals which is used here. Okay, carbon rod is there, zinc rod is there. Okay, and electric cell, a device that can be used to produce an electric current. Okay, this is a device that is used to produce an electric current. which is called the source of electric current. This is a source of electric current. You can say that, students, electric cell is a source of electric current. Is it clear? You know, it produces electricity from chemical which is already present inside it. Okay, from that chemical that is converted into the electric energy. You can say that inside the inside the cell it is happening that the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy or electric energy, you can say. Okay, electrical energy. Okay, students, I think it is clear to all. You know that earlier I have told there is a two type of terminal also which is present in cell. Positive terminal is just denoted in a metal cap, and a metal disc is act as a negative terminal. Okay, and earlier we had already discussed that the chemical which is already stored inside the cell, this chemical is converted into the electrical energy. Okay, when the chemical is completely used up, the cell will working stop, so we can use the another cell. Is it clear? So now we will discuss how the means how we can light the bulb which is present inside the torch. Okay, with the help of cell, how we can light off. Okay, thank you.